What is up, guys? My name is Travis, and in today's video we are unboxing a couple packages I got for a couple different cars. Currently, sorry for the mess, GTR is in the garage getting wrapped. We're doing the Desert Storm Gray from Avery. The Porsche's been kicked out of the garage, and then we also have the exhaust and downpipes we're gonna do on the new 2023 Nissan Z. So let's get right into it. So I think the small package right here is actually for the GTR. These are the 3-inch turbo inlet pipes from Boost Logic. This is actually going with the Sissio C800 kit that I got. The C800 kit is a gateway turbo upgrade for the GTR, so it should bring the wheel horsepower to about 800 to the wheel with race gas. Got some stickers too. Yes, I guess that's it. I think this big box right here is actually the new Z's mid plate. Yep. So this is the catless mid plate for the new Z. I guess the hardware that goes along with it. Okay, and this box. This is the if you go on Z1 Motorsports, this is the 2023 Nissan Z Touring exhaust. So it's sold as a complete set with the mid pipes and cat back. Oh, I'm gonna angle this down a little bit. Oh wow, okay, so this is the muffler, and this is the rest of the mid pipe, I believe. We have some exhaust clamps. Whoops, sorry. Some exhaust hangers. This is the flanges, I guess. Yep. Exhaust flanges. Oh, this is a hanger. I'm curious what these are. Huh. Wonder what this is for. Oh, this is the resonator, I guess. I think. Yeah, a resonator. Huh. But where are the exhaust tips? Oh, I guess it's in this box. Yeah, I'm really hoping that this exhaust wakes up. Oh yeah, there's the exhaust tips. Nice black exhaust tips. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. I think I got the option for the double wall black tips. So I know that there is an option for single wall and double wall. Double wall was about $100 more. I'm not too sure what the difference is, but the only option for black was with the double wall, so I just went with that. I don't know if it does any difference with sound. I don't think it would have any difference with performance. So I laid out the exhaust. I don't know if exactly this is how it goes, if these two are supposed to be like that or if it's switched. But I do have the downpipes at my mechanic shop. So it's gonna go from the downpipes, then to the mid pipe, then to I think this is just a resonator. It's not a cat. I'm pretty sure it's just a resonator. Then the 3-inch catback exhaust. Then I have the black double wall exhaust tips in there. And yeah, I'm really excited to get this put on, and I'm really curious what it's gonna sound like with the catless downpipes, because TJ Hunt, since he lives in California, I guess that's why he got the catted downpipes, but I have the catless, so I think it will have a little bit more character. When this gets put on and the tune gets done, then I will post some exhaust clips for you folks. Alrighty guys.